Yeah, yeah. All right. Good afternoon. Yeah, it is afternoon. Good afternoon. Lee Merritt, Leemerritt, attorney for the estate of Brandon Durham. I'll allow my co-counsel to introduce themselves and state their names, and I'll come back in a second.
Hi, folks. Cannon Lambert, Cannon Lambert, Senior Co-Counsel.
Local counsel F. Travis Buchanan. Travis is Travis, Buchanan Buchanan.
All right. Yeah. Earlier today, I'm sorry, you said, yep. Earlier today, on behalf of the family and the estate of Brandon Durham, we filed in this courthouse a federal civil rights suit under Section 1983. Among other things, the complaint is 8 counts. We've brought copies for the media, and we're looking forward to answering your questions concerning the same. It's important to note that now that we know that the Clark County Prosecutor's Office is moving forward with presenting charges against the defendant, both Boudreaux as well as Mr. Bookman, at a criminal level, this is the appropriate time for us to continue to pursue Alexander Bookman for his role in violating this family's civil rights, but in addition to that, to hold the city of Las Vegas accountable for their failures on behalf of the family. That claim sounds in the term of a Monell claim that we pursue on behalf of the city, alleging that there are both policies and practices that were contributory towards Brandon's death. We look forward to answering your questions and moving forward with this case. We do want to distinguish the reason we're here on federal territory right now is because this is a separate case than the criminal case. The criminal case is being handled by the prosecutor's offices and in the hands of the people of Clark County. This family's deeply invested in the outcome of the criminal case, and our parallel civil suit allows us to supplement the investigation taking place at the Clark County level, and it allows us to continue to pursue justice at every level on behalf of the family. The next attorney that you'll hear from is my colleague, Cannon Lambert. Thank you.
So yes, folks, briefly, it's just super important that you understand that we are looking to hold everybody accountable for the things that happened to this family. Anyone that was responsible for and participated in this incident happening is going to be held to account. The lawsuit is filed for the purposes of making sure that we do bring justice to the family, and we understand that this is a process. It's going to be a process that will be long, but it is one that is worthwhile. We will engage in discovery as soon as we're able. We expect that the defendants will be served relatively quickly. When the defendants are served, the next step will be that we'll engage in discovery, absent their bringing motions to dismiss. So the process is that we filed the lawsuit. We expect that the defendants will now be afforded an opportunity to answer the complaint. When they answer the complaint, then they will they'll either answer the complaint or they'll be given an opportunity to bring a motion to dismiss the complaint. We suspect that they should, or at least our position is that they should be answering the complaint. And then once they answer the complaint, we will be at issue. And at that point, we'll be able to obtain more information. And our hope is that as we get information, we'll be able to share that with you.
All right. Happy to answer any questions you might have. If you have any particulars. No. Yeah.
With this document reading through it very quickly, how much exactly is the family seeking with this civil lawsuit?
And thank you for that question. In the federal court, to be clear, there are only fiduciary damages available, and so there's no criminal consequences available to the family at this case. I want to make that abundantly clear. We did not specify a specific number that we're proceeding, only that it's in excess of $1 million to get us past the jurisdictional requirement. There's no number that's going to make this family whole. What we demand is whole justice, criminal accountability, civil accountability for Bookman and for the city of Vegas. And it's going to be up to a jury to determine what the wrongful death damages and other damages look like.
With this lawsuit, what changes are you hoping will come from it for Metro Police so nothing like this happens again?
Yeah. Again, thank you very much for the question about what changes we hope to inspire by this lawsuit. That's the other goal of on behalf of this family. Brandon's family sat down with their attorneys and they said we don't want a money grab. We want to make sure that nothing like this happens to another family in Nevada and Vegas, really across the country, if they can. And so it's important to pursue a number, for example, that is prohibitive, that makes the city think twice about allowing this kind of behavior to take place. But we want to see policy change. We want to see officers have certification and de-escalation, to see, and most importantly, and this is part of one of the key issues in our Monell claim, our claim against the city, that when officers demonstrate a propensity towards violence or misconduct, they must be disciplined. They must be removed from the force. We've seen several incidences out of Las Vegas Metro Police Department where if there was appropriate consequences and changes to the training and policy, if the officers had been disciplined appropriately, then Brandon Durham would still be alive and with his family, and that's the preferred outcome.
How common are lawsuits like this, for example, and in comparison to other previous cases that you guys have covered, how effective are they, and do you see hope in this one as well?
Yeah. It's hard to answer the commonality question. Unfortunately, we live in the deadliest police culture in the modern world, and so there's no nation on earth that kills or incarcerates as many of its citizens as we do in the United States. So in that regard, it's extremely common to see civil suits. Less than 1% of these cases result in any form of accountability for police officers, either criminally or civilly. And so there's always an uphill battle because of protections like qualified immunity, which I'm sure Mr. Officer Bookman will attempt to avail himself of. But we believe that this case that we're bringing forward on behalf of this family is an exception. And when we have filed lawsuits, when our office has pursued justice on behalf of families, they have been exceptional. They have resulted in both criminal accountability and civil liability, although the statistics say that's quite rare.
So last week, we had the Clark County grand jury met, right? And all we know is that Bookman will be served some sort of Markham notice. One, do you know when that, if it does happen, if he's indicted, do you have any idea on a date? And two, do you also have confidence in the DA to present all the evidence to the Clark County grand jury? Because at the end of the day, they decide what a grand jury sees.
Sure. Give me the first part of the question once more.
Do you have a date on when
Okay.
the grand jury proceedings will be presented on Bookman?
Yeah, and so the grand jury proceedings are technically secret, and not only do I not know, if I did know, I wouldn't be allowed to share with media when they were actually meeting or what they were meeting about. However, as a matter of course, grand juries are typically always convened. So there was likely a grand jury in place when the decision was made to pursue criminal charges. The prosecutor's office will have to make the determination whether to present to that grand jury or wait to convene a second grand jury just to hear this case. And we haven't spoken with the prosecutor's office about his strategy concerning the same. Second part of the question, if you don't mind.
Do you have full confidence? Because at the end of the day, it's the district attorney that decides what evidence is presented to a grand jury. Do you have confidence that they'll present all the evidence that they've collected to try to prosecute Bookman or indict Bookman?
Yeah. After sitting and meeting with his prosecutor's office and his family, meeting with him repeatedly and pressing upon him the importance of fairness and of due process, we actually do have confidence that he is going to present the best case to this grand jury, and this is why. Initially, he explained to this family that what the likely outcome was that he would not be presenting the case to a grand jury, but instead that it would go an alternative route. The only way that he would move forward with the presentation to the grand jury was that if his review of the evidence made it clear that a crime had occurred and that he should pursue it. After a group of attorneys, and we sat with at least 8 attorneys from his office, including the prosecutor himself. They each reviewed, analyzed the file, took longer than we had hoped, and came back with what we believe is true, that a crime took place and that they should pursue criminal charges. That helps give us confidence that they will go. We know that a prosecutor wants to win. His record is important to him. So once he made that decision, we're confident that he will pursue it credibly.
What's your trust with the grand jury, though? We have seen cases go before them regarding officer, say misconduct, but certainly like that, and they have decided not to indict an officer for their actions. And I apologize, I forget the name of the one officer who put his knee on the back of someone's neck. That did lead to different policy changes here. The grand jury decided not to indict that officer. So how confident are you that the grand jury will want to indict Bookman?
Well, quite frankly, the Clark County and the American grand jury system is antiquated. It's done in secret, and I don't have any particular confidence in our grand jury system as it stands. However, I do have confidence in the people of Nevada. I believe that any reasonable review of the facts, even for someone who is skeptical, like the prosecutor seemed to be initially, a review of the facts and the evidence make it clear that Brandon Durham was murdered by Alexander Bookman without justification, and he should pay the consequence.
I guess.
The only thing I had is just some clarity. So here, y'all, in case y'all know something different. So here y'all mentioned that he was shot, Brandon Durham, shot once in the head and then 5 other times. But the Clark County Coroner's Office says that he was actually shot 7 times. Any clarity? I guess I'm just seeking clarity.
Yeah. So I know that he was shot one time, and our facts reveal 5 more shots followed. If that doesn't line up with the ME's report, then we'll have to follow up and see. Yeah.
Anything else that you would like to add just about the civil lawsuit that you have filed today and going forward?
Sure. You all give me one moment to convene.
Your family wants to say anything as well?
I think both Bella and Rachel should be ready to have to go.
So in a moment, you're going to hear from the wife of Brandon Durham as well as his daughter, and they're just going to talk to about what it means for them to finally be moving forward with the civil case, and their position on the prosecutor's office moving forward with the presentation to the grand jury.
1 second.
Yes, sir.
So the department, when you call it now we have a different administration, the Trump administration. The Biden administration has been known to investigate police departments, like they did over in Louisville when the whole shooting happened with Breonna Taylor. Will you call on something like that to happen here at the Las Vegas Metro Police Department?
Right now, the state process seems to be moving along the appropriate channels. I always think it's important for the federal government to do their part in enforcing the Constitution, and as a matter of course, that is a request that will be made at some point. Right now, we're pursuing the state ends in the federal civil system. All right.
My name is Isabella Durham, Isabella Durham. My father was a very happy man who cherished me plenty. I was spoiled from the moment I came out, and to be in that house when it happened and seeing all that I'm hearing and everybody talking about what the coroner's saying and what media and lawyers and DA is saying is fairly hurtful. To hear that we're just now for the slight chance that we could get the justice my father does deserve, is bringing me a light at the end of the tunnel. I miss my father every day, and I do love him. I know he's with me every day, and I know he is taking care of me, both was in life and in death. And I'm so glad to see that they're finally going through with everything. Thank you.